say, girl, you fine. I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time. Hop in my ride. Got a whip parked outside. Got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs. Look at that waist. Look at them hips. Look at that face. Just know that I'm a thug. I ain't going on a date.
Hey guys, it's Brooke, and today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day playlist. Just some tunes that you can bop during this whole month whenever you with your boo or your bae, whatever. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Just want to say that this is a playlist that I made like a couple months ago, and it has a lot of songs on it, but I'm just going to feature some of the best ones or whatever. Of course, you guys can follow me on Apple Music. It'll be in the description box, or if y'all want me to put it on Spotify, then I'll try to do that. But like I said, my Apple Music playlist and my whole Apple Music profile will be in the description box, so you guys can check out the full playlist and also some of the other playlists that I have created, because they are some bops. So yeah, just to let y'all know, this is called Be Mine. That's the name of the playlist. So if you're looking for it, that's the name it's under. First song that I want to do is this song by Kodak Black. I'm just gonna play it, and then the like details will be on the screen.
Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy, baby, you the bomb and all, but I'd be damned if I did not wear mine.
These are the moments in time that we've been waiting our whole life to find, that we've been searching for all through the night. But everyone needs a ransom. My mama said love is the answer. You got me on my knees, baby, James Brown, please. The time is ours, not for borrow.
Baby, in a room full of dancers, you still are there. Girl, the way you move your body. Girl, the way you move your body. Ride it, with you, ride or die for your nigga, girl, like me. I just wanna know if you that special somebody. You don't even need a paw, and you can come down on my body. You the one that I want in my life. You the one that I want every night. I need you to be there for me. That's what I'm doing. Bro, no, I wanna play with that pussy cat. She wanna suck on his knees.